Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. In the last class, we discussed about sets. So already I have taken two classes about the concept of sets. So today we are going to solve exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Before going to start exercise 1.1, যে এক্সাৰসাইজ 1.1 ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতেই মই আকৌ বস্তুখিনি ৰিপিট কৰিব বিচাৰি আছোঁ যে যিটো আমাৰ সেটস আছিল হোৱাট ইজ সেটস এ সেটস ইজ এ কালেকশ্যন অফ ৱাৰ্ল্ড ডিফাইন্ড ডিষ্টিংক্ট অবজেক্ট এটা সেট হ'বৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান কি লাগিব সুনিৰ্দিষ্ট কিছুমান বস্তুৰ থোপ বা সংহতি হ'ব লাগিব এই কথাটো জানো তাৰপিছত আমি পাইছিলোঁ ফাইনাইট সেট a set which containing finite number of elements is called finite set. An infinite set, a set which containing infinite number of elements is called infinite sets. And equal sets, if a and b are two sets, then two sets are equal if a and b have same number of elements. And we have already discussed subsets. What is subsets? If a and b are two sets and every elements of containing in b, then we say that a is a subset of b. Okay, and proper subset if a and b are two sets and the number of element in a and number of element and b are not same, that means at least one element in sets a which is at least one element in b which is not in a, that means that it must be a subset, a must be a subset. Okay, then it is a proper subset. So ami yar pichote paise representation of sets can be represented in two ways, roster form or tabular form, and another is set builder form. Moi gute gini bostu aba revision dilo. Okay so now we are going to start exercise 1.1. So exercise 1.1 it is given that which of the following are sets, যে তলৰ কোনবিলাক কি হয় সংহতি হয়, জাস্টিফাই ইউৰ এনসাৰ, তোমাৰ উত্তৰটো কি কৰে জাস্টিফাই কৰা। তে এক নম্বৰত দিছে কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1, কালেকশ্যন the collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. যে is it a set? Yes, it is a set because we are sure that the members of the collection are January, June and July. যে ইয়াত আমি যদি জে মাহেৰে যিবিলাক জে আখৰেৰে মাহ নহয় জে আখৰেৰে যিবিলাক মান্থ ষ্টাৰ্ট হয় সেইবিলাক কি কি আছে আমাৰ জানুৱাৰী, জুন and July. So it is a sets, it is well defined, so it is a sets. Number 2, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India, it is set or not? It is not set because the word most talented is not well defined. A writer may be most talented for one person and may not be talented for other person. Therefore it cannot be said accurately that which writer is talented or which writer is not talented. That is why it is not a set. Number 3, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world, এটো কি নহয় এটা সেট নহয়, কাৰণ পৃথিৱীত যে ক্ৰিকেটৰ 11 জনীয়া যদি দল এটা গঠন কৰা হয় বেষ্ট প্লেয়াৰ কোনজন আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰিম। এই সিমিলি ইয়াৰ আগৰ যেটো প্ৰবলেম আছিল আমাৰ সেম ইয়াত যেটো বেষ্ট ক্ৰিকেট প্লেয়াৰ্ছৰ কথা কৈছে, বেটসমেনৰ কথা কৈছে, ক্ৰিকেট বেটসমেন বেষ্ট, গতিকে কোনজন বেষ্ট হয় সেইটো আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰি so that is why it is not a set. So question number 4, the collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys in your class, surely it is a well defined, because in our class how many boys we know, so it is a well defined, so it is a sets. Question number 5 is the collection of all natural number less than 100. It is also well defined, less than 100. The collection of natural number less than 100, collection of natural number less than 100, then if we write in a roster form, then suppose A equal to set, then collection of natural number less than 100 is 1 2 3 up to 99, so it is well defined and it is a sets. Question number 6, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. A collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand, যে মুন্সী প্ৰেমচন্দে লিখা কিতাপবিলাক এইটো কি হ'ব, it is a sets or not? যে obviously it is a sets, because how many books are written by Munshi Premchand, it is clear, so it is a well defined and distinct, so it is a sets. Question number 7, the collection of all even integers. The collection of all even integers, the collection of all even integers, it is also a set. Okay, it is also a set because this collection is well defined. Collection of all even integer means even integer start from 2 4 6 8 etc. Okay, so collection of all even integer is well defined, it is a set. This what type of set? This is a infinite sets. Question number 8, the collection of question in this chapter, it is a well defined. Collection of question in this chapter, it is well defined, so it is a sets. Question number 9, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. The most dangerous elements, the word most dangerous, it is not well defined. Okay, the most dangerous elements, so one animals is danger for one person and that animals is not danger for other person, so that is why it is not well defined, so it is not a sets. Okay, so question number 2, okay, let A equal to 1 2 3 4 5, let A equal to this given here 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 4 5 and 6, this is A. Insert the appropriate symbol in the blank space. খালি ঠাইবোৰ পূৰ কৰা। ইয়াত কৈছে 5 appropriate symbols এৰে কি কৰিব লাগে, এইটো লিখিব লাগে। তো নাম্বাৰ 1 5, এইটো আছে এনেকৈ 5 প্লেস A, obviously 5 belongs to A, 5 to ক'ত আছে, 8 আছে। নাম্বাৰ 2 8, so number 2 আছে 8 less A. In the given set, elements are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so 8 not belongs to A, 8 not belongs to A. Number 3 0, 0 is also not belongs to 0, is this A, so 0 is not belongs to A, 0 to ক'ত নাই, 8 9. Number 4, in this way, number 4 is 10, sorry not 10, number 4 is 4, 4 is belongs to A. Number 5, so number 5 is 2, obviously 2 belongs to A. And number 6 10, in the given set 10 is, the element of 10 is not given, so 10 not belongs to A. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 3. So question number 3, write the following sets in roster form. The roster form at likhibo lage, it is given A, number 1 A equal to X such that x is an integer, x is an integer, x is an integer, okay, x is an integer, minus 3 less than x less than 7, minus 3 less than x less than 7. So what is the row start from? So row start from of this is x, x has that x is an integer, the x or value to ki hobo lagibo minus 3 less than x less than 3. That means the value of x must be lies between minus 3 to plus 7. So the value of this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the row start from of the given equation. Okay, and number 2 is x has that x is a natural number less than 10. Very simple. Number 2, x be equal to x has that x is a natural number, x is a natural number less than 10. Okay, so row start from of this is, it is a very simple problem. Row start from is this is equal to natural number start from, we know natural number start from 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. This is the answer. Sorry, this is not 10, this is 6, less than 6. So if this is less than equal to 6, then be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very simple. Okay, be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The question number 3 is c equal to x such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of digits is 8. Number 3, c equal to x such that x is a 2-digit, x is a 2-digit number, x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of its digits is the sum of its digits is 8. Now ইয়াত কৈছে x is a 2-digit number, x to হ'ব লাগিব 2-digit number হ'ব লাগিব আৰু সেই দুটা ডিজিটৰ সাম কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব লাগিব 8 হ'ব লাগিব। তো row start from of this is equal to, প্ৰথম যেটো আহিব হেতু কি হ'ব লাগিব আমাৰ, প্ৰথমটো I think 17 হ'ব, যে 17 প্ৰথমটো কিমান হ'ব 17, it is a 2-digit number, it is 2-digit number 17 and sum of this is 8, and next 26, okay, and next is 26, and next is I think 35, 35 is 8, and next is 44, I think, yes 44, and next is, yeah, next to hobo 53, 53, and next is 62, and next is 62, 71, yes 71, and last digit is 80 is 8, okay, 80, and it's left 17, 26, 35, 44, this is not 4, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. This is the row start from of C. Okay, now question number 4, 3, 4 is what? D equal to x such that x is a prime number, D equal to x such that x is a prime number, x is a prime number, okay, x is a prime number, x is a prime number which is divisor of 60, which is divisor of 60 যে ইয়াত কৈছে এটো roster formত x is a prime number হ'ব লাগিব x to কি হ'ব লাগিব prime number হ'ব লাগিব and which is divisor of 60 আৰু যেটো কি হ'ব 60 কি হ'ব লাগিব divisor হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়ালে এনে কোৱা কি আছে 60 divisible by 2 and 2 is a prime number and 60 is also divisible by 3 and 3 is also a prime number and 60 is also divisible by 5 and 5 is also prime number. So এই তিনটাই আছে আৰু নাই. So this is the roster from question number 5. So 5 is what equal to this set of letters in the word trigonometry equal to this set of letters in the word trigonometry okay in the word trigonometry. So in the roster from you can write in this way T, R, I, Z, O, N. যে এটা নাম্বার আমি কি এটা এলিমেন্ট আমি দুইবার লেখার কোনো দরকার নাই যেহেতু ও এটা আছে গতিকে নেক্সট টাইম আর কি ওটো লেখা দরকারই নাই তো ট্রিগন এম ই টি আমি অলরেডি লিখিছো আর লিখিছো তো লাস্টত খালি y টো লিখি দিলে হইব this is the roster form and last number 6 is f this set of all letters in the word better f equal to this set of letters in the word better B-E-T-T-E-R better in the word better. Okay, the roster form is or tabular form is B, E, T, R. This is the roster form. Okay. ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেন্টত জনাব যদি ভাল লাগে তেন্তে লাইক আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ নতুন ভিডিও পাবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব